So here we have some interesting potential project material. So these were given to me by someone who found them. They were left off at a place and they're discards. So we were looking at them trying to figure like what is wrong with them? Why were they just discarded? And there's little white chalk marks on them. And these are indicating, I would not call them blemishes, but that's how they're seen by some people. And as a manufacturer, you have to be aware of all these things, because the last thing you want to do is send stuff out that gets rejected. So this person asked me, what any ideas for these? And I looked at them, and pretty quickly I thought, gosh, I could do some wood art on these. I could make this all wood, screwing in from the back side all different types of wood and make different patterns and basically turn them into wall art. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful maple is what it is. And here you have a high density material, but that'll work good as a solid base to put the artwork on. The other thing you could do is you could paint them, but then you'd have an issue with painting the edge. But one thing I could do, if I did want to do a little painting, is do a little painting in here and then run the wood around it. So many ideas, and they look the same on both sides. Although you pry on the wall, you'd only see one side if you were screwing into it anyways. But I suppose if you're painting, you could hang them in a situation where you'd see both sides. And they wouldn't have to go up and down. They could be hung like this, like a scenic view type of thing. So, all in all, it's I think it could be some interesting projects here. They're about 40 inches by 12, probably. About that size. And the hard maple, some of them I noticed had they had curly in them, curly maple. I don't see it in any of these, but I did see it on one of them. Okay, future projects.